two areas, marketing and HR, even in physical education, the kind of examples you were taking yesterday, you should be very much clear about few things. Let me ask you one question. This behavioral thing is not clear, this statistics won't help you. What is the impact of perception on behavior? No, perception is not attitude.
It is different. It is different, sir. Perception leads to attitude.
Perception leads to attitude. Attitude doesn't affect perception.
It affects. It affects. These are interrelated concepts. You cannot segregate them at all.
Attitude, perception affects attitude. Attitude also affects perception, and attitude affects behavior.
Yes, sir.
Interest also plays a vital role. Interest between the actors plays a vital role.
Vital role. If you have interest, it is going to play a vital role.
Yes, sir. If you have no interest, you have no perception.
Rest of them have to get. We are talking something about what we are doing for last 3 days. You measure perception as has been suggested. You measure attitude and try why you are doing so? Why you are doing so? Why you are measuring attitude? To predict intention to behave. It is not, it is intention to behave. In research you don't actually figure out what behavior is. Still you have an experimental design. You have majorly two kinds of research. One is survey research, another is experimental research. Your cross breeds and all. You calculate correlation, this and that. You can do that in experimental research. So here what you do is you measure intention, and then finally in many of the researches which we have conducted with industry, they want this also. How many people who had the intention to behave actually behaved that way? They said that they like this car. How many of them bought that car actually at the end of the day? Do you remember any attitude model? Any model which suggests how to measure attitude? Attitude has 3 components. What are they? If you want to measure attitude of any person, there are 3 components of attitude. It is ABC model. I am simply pointing out towards one aspect. You talked of arousal yesterday. Many similar kind of psychological traits are there. Affective, affective, cognitive and behavioral. Fine. Effective. So there are 3. It is tri-component model. What are these tri-component model? Leave it. In a circle you don't know where from the things start. In a circle, can you tell me where the circle starts? Who said cognitive should be first? Who gave this model? Anyway. So affective, what is affective? Your attitude is composed of 3 things. Your attitude is composed of 3 things. It is called tripod on which your attitude rests, and you want to measure it. So your see, it is also a mathematics. It is not less than a mathematics. It is complex. You can go on challenging that. So there are 2 or 3 mathematicians also sitting amongst us. People say it is a composition feeling towards anything. You actually intend to behave that way, and you are cognitively predisposed towards that. For example, this is why your laptop. Why your laptop? you have a favor for laptops. Cognitively, you are positively predisposed towards laptop. That is one aspect of your attitude. You are cognitively predisposed towards laptop. Laptops are good. Laptops are good. That is, you already have developed that kind of cognition, mental processes inside you. Point number one. Second, you have a feeling, affection. Then an object comes into the picture. Why your laptops are good? First is laptops are good. Overall, laptops as a category are good. Feeling, why your laptops are good? Intention, I intend to buy a bio laptop. You add all those three, you get my point is that, and what is attitude?
Frame of mind.
More specific? What is an attitude?
How you look at things.
You are actually looking at things from the different perspective.
That's why I call it frame of mind.
No. My point is that the point which I want to make here is very clear. Writing on the wall is clear. Psychology, research methodology, and statistics. These three things should be very clear. How things work. I am only asking you to what attitude, where it plays role, what it is composed of, and